Yeah, I don't think today's event is really the right place to talk about that. I think it's already helped a lot of people. I think to begin with, I think my interview itself helped a lot of people, and then the foundation, of course. I wouldn't personally like to talk about exactly that. I think exactly what I said. I think I'm really fortunate to be in the movie business, something that I've always wanted to do and something that I'm very passionate about. I think which is why even when I was written off, I took that as a challenge and healthy sort of criticism, and I've worked on that. So that's an interesting color tune. There's a lot of women here actually who I draw inspiration from. I think Zia Modi being one of those women, and it's I definitely do feel a small sense of achievement to be amongst all these women. Usually we're awarded or rewarded amongst our own fraternity, and I'm sure it's the same for them as well. But to sort of be amongst high achievers like them is definitely a great feeling. Hard work is definitely key to a lot of things, but I think it's also important to be passionate, or rather do what you're passionate about, and most importantly enjoy yourself along the way. I think these have been my biggest learnings, and I think I've had fun through all the work that I've done and all the amazing people that I've worked with. I think I've really had a good time. Like I said, I think it's important that I've enjoyed the people that I've worked with, and I've enjoyed all the various film experiences that I've had. But different people, they believe in different things and they stand for different things. You can't have there's nothing like one NGO for all. I mean, I don't know if something like that will work. I think it's the work involved is very, very concentrated. It's very, very specialized. And you can't just open an NGO and say, "Chalo, let's now do everything possible," because also the skill that's involved for different NGOs will be different. And I'm glad that we're focusing on mental health, because it's high time we did. I, as an actor, have no sort of say in when my films should release. We started shooting Bajirao last year. We started shooting Tamasha last year. Fortunately for me, both the films are complete. And the producers decide when the best time is to release these films, because I mean, obviously for them, they know best, and I'm sure they know what they're doing. It's as intense and passionate as a love scene should be for those particular characters or for that kind of film. Yeah. Not at all. Yeah, I mean, I don't get involved in telling anyone anything. And I think someone, especially like Imtiaz, is very, very clear about what the script is, what kind of scenes we're shooting, what is required from the actors. We're all pretty much on the same page. So we all do a film, and while getting into it, we know exactly what we're getting into. Not yet. Other than Tamasha and Bajirao, I haven't signed any other film. So until you hear some confirmation from me, don't believe anything else that you read. I am meeting a lot of people, I am reading a lot of scripts, but I haven't confirmed or signed anything yet. To all the viewers of all these lovely, lovely channels, wishing you all a very happy Diwali.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.